Another unboxing from something I just got in the mail. Don't know what this is, but I know it's from China, so it has to be something I bought from eBay. Look at this packaging job. I mean, it's insane. Let's see if I can get this open. Jeez. Okay. It's like I'm just cutting through the cardboard here. Okay. Alright, I got two of these things. I know what these are. These Ganzo. Oh, wow, oh wow. All four of them came. I got these Ganzo multi-tools. I got two of the big ones. And then I got two of the small ones from the same sellers that were that are selling the Samurai Mu knives. I noticed they have multi-tools, so I thought I'd try a couple of them out. Again, they're pretty cheap. Not that Leathermans or Gerbers aren't cheap for what they are. I mean, for, you know, something like 60, 70 bucks, you get a Leatherman Wave, brand new from Amazon. Can't beat that. But these, I think these are like maybe 20 bucks. So let's open one of these up. Inside the box, we have just a little booklet, or a little folding, I guess, promotional pamphlet showing you the multi-tool and the different features that it has. Comes with a nice nylon pouch with a belt loop in the back. Thing's pretty big. Solid snap. And inside we've got two things. A set of drivers or bits for the driver and the multi-tool itself. This is the Ganzo G201. Feels pretty good. It's big. Spring-loaded needle nose pliers. Alright, let's put that aside, because I want to show you guys the other one real quick, the small one. I'll go into a more detailed review of these later. The only other review I found about these were in a foreign language. Here's a little one. Nothing inside besides this. And this is really little. I mean, look at this. Same kind of nylon pouch, smaller. Instead of a snap, it's Velcro. It's kind of got like a blue tone to this surface. Spring-loaded needle nose again. Let's compare these two side by side. Yeah, like I said, I only found some foreign language. I think it was, I forget what language it was in. But I couldn't find any reviews of these multi-tools in English. So I couldn't really tell if it was a positive review or not. So I just, you know, went ahead and bought some so I can find out for myself. So I got two of them. One is the Ganzo G201, and this, where's the model number? I don't know. Let me see. That is the, yeah, it doesn't say. I'll find out. Maybe I'll annotate it. But there you have it. That's a quick unboxing of these two multi-tools from eBay.